Yeah guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add controls and move sprites with those controls in Scratch. So the first thing you got to do is open up your web browser and search up scratch.mit.edu. Go on that, press on create, and that'll take you into the editor. Close that annoying pop-up and go to events. Put on when flag clicked, when space key pressed, and put when space key pressed on 4 times. Now, go on to motion and under when flag clicked, go to X and Y. Then get change X by and put that under 2 of them. And get change Y by and put that under 2 of them. Now, change this to left arrow. Change this to right arrow. Change this to up arrow. And change this to down arrow. And I've got this set up. Now, put negative on this. And put negative on this. Now you're all set. Press the flag. And you can move your sprite however you want. So, that's the end of the video. That's all you need. So, see you in the next one.